Hello, it's Ben with Belmont Solar. Today we're taking a brief look at what passive solar is. The word passive solar really means just a way of gaining solar heat without any moving components or turning it into another energy source such as electricity. This is facing south for a reason. It's a certain type of glass a little bit, and it's a dark colored floor, and it has 3-foot overhangs. And why the overhangs? That's so you get the wintertime sun coming in here and not the summertime sun. It helps regulate the temperature in here, especially in the wintertime. That's an overview of passive solar. It works great combined with active solar. Active solar can do so much today that passive solar isn't always really necessary. But if you want a house with lots of sunlight and even more unique features, this is a great thing to do. I am not a builder. I am not a professional in this area. This is just a brief overview and summary.